It's a 63 Buick Riviera, which is an extremely radical design for the era. And actually, even if you're looking at it today, you notice how the fenders are, I don't know if it's you really notice it as much in a camera angle, but the camera doesn't, I don't know. I'm looking through the lens, but you notice how the whole hood is very aggressive. Point. You don't want to get in an accident with these cars because it's like you'll be replacing that hood and that fender. You'll be pounding them things out. You see the bumper is, but it's like a spaceship, man. It's like a fighter jet or something. And I always liked how they had in the back with the speaker in the middle of the seats like that. And that's a true four-seater, which is radical design back then. And you notice the console and all that. True luxury, man. Cars today are pieces of garbage, man. I can't stand them, man. They're really junk. Cars today are so plain, I'd rather have an old Jeep, for crying out loud. I mean, what the hell's the difference? At least it's functional. Look at that puppy. It's got scallops on there. Down there. Combination of being square and round, kind of like you got your front end that looks like a fighter jet. Today what they do is they say they make that bumper straight across because it's cheaper, you know. Of course, they wouldn't even use chrome to say Buick. They would paint it in there, stick a decal on it. Yeah. Empire State.
Buick Riviera GS.
Get a sweet ride.
Well, that was a nice car.